I'll explain the basic Japanese vegetables cutting techniques. Wagiri, hangetsugiri, ichogiri, yoshigigiri, tanzakugiri, and senropungiri. Now, I'll cut a daikon radish. First, cut into 6 in 5 centimeters cylindrical pieces. Large, hard vegetables will form cracks if you cut them in a single chop. So cut it little by little with a sewing motion. When using a single bevel knife, since the inner edge does the cutting, cut straight down while gently pushing against the outer edge. Now, I'll peel off the skin. First, we'll do the wagiri technique. Starting from the right, cut into equal slices. The daikon will crack easily, so cut it little by little with a sewing motion. Next is the hangetsugiri technique. First, cut a daikon in half, going with the grain. Then, cut each half across the grain into equal slices, starting from the right. Next is the ichogiri technique. Cut the daikon with the grain into 4 equal pieces. Then cut each piece into equal slices, starting from the right. Position it so the flat side faces away from you, then cut it. Next is the yoshigigiri technique. First, cut a small piece off one side. Place the side on the bottom so it doesn't move. Cut it with a grain into 1 centimeter thick square. Cut it squares into 1 centimeter wide sticks. Next is the tanzakugiri technique. First, cut it with a grain into 1 centimeter thick squares in the same way as yoshigigiri. Cut each squares into thin 2 millimeter thick slices. Next is the Senro Pongiri technique. Cut the daikon with a grain into 3 mm thick squares. Cut each squares with a grain into sticks that have the same width and thickness.